Welcome to Nicholson Heating Services. We install, service and repair gas and oil boilers across the northeast of England. This is the video to show you how to reset the pressure after an F22 fault on a Vaillant TEC Plus boiler. You'll know it's an TEC Plus boiler because it has the drop down panel. The TEC Plus and the Exclusive both have this panel. The Pures and the other models don't. So when looking at the screen, sometimes the screen is dull. Press any button to light it up like that, and as you can see it's showing a spanner, which indicates a fault, 0.7 bar, and the bar graph here, the black bit is under the bottom line, which all indicates that the pressure is too low. Pressure should be above 1 bar, ideally 1.2 or 1.3. So before we adjust it, if you put the flap back up again, familiarise yourself with the two valves underneath. You've got this one here and this one here. It's hard to see, but they both say closed on the front. That'll come apparent later on. So first of all, I always open this one. So I'll just turn it so it opens. And then I put my hand on this one, just like this. And I just open it slightly, just enough to hear the water going in, very, very slightly. Whilst looking back at the display, keep my hand on that tap, opening it slightly. The water will start to go into the boiler. And then once it goes above 1 bar, the pressure will come off the screen, and you're just relying on the graph at the right hand side. Now once that does that, I'll show you. Sometimes it takes a while. Doing it slowly is better than overfilling it. The pressure will come off in a second there. There you go. And to see the pressure again while they're busy, just push that button twice. I like to get it to 1.4. It's a good little amount of water to get into the system, and of course as the boiler starts to circulate again, you'll get a bit of air coming out of the system, which will drop the pressure again a little bit. So 1.4 just activates the expansion vessel and keeps the boiler under a decent amount of water in it, just like that. Once you're happy, click back, and underneath you've turned this valve back off again when you've gotten to the top of the pressure, so it says closed on it. That's important that you can read the closed part, and then come back to this one. This is the one that gets people. Remember to turn that one back to closed again. If after you've put the pressure right and you're trying to run a hot tap somewhere in the house and there's no water coming through the tap, it'll be because you've left that valve in that position. That cuts the cold water off to the hot taps. Have another little check to make sure everything's okay, which it is, and that's you done. Thanks very much for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also, if you need any help or any advice, drop a comment in the comments box underneath and we'll get back to you. Or our website link is in the description there. Give it a click and leave us a message and we'll endeavour to help you.